Kia ora friends, this is Roshan from Sing Love Strum. This is a playthrough of Tohora Nui, which is the first song in the series of early childhood songs for children 7 and below. So if you are a parent, a grandparent, an auntie or an uncle, or a teacher for children 7 and below, this is the series for you. It's going to get you singing and playing and hopefully get them excited and singing back. It's in the correct key or the range for them. Their voices are a little bit higher. They're not like adult voices, so we don't want to sing too low. So we're going to try to engage our Bee Gees voices if we do have low voices, so that we can help our tamariki, our children, sing in the correct range. The most important thing is to embrace your own voice. It doesn't have to be perfect. Be joyful in singing, be confident, and the kids will pick that up and they will do the same. They are the most forgiving people. You don't have to be Mariah Carey or anything like that. They just love you singing. If you can show that you love singing, they will do it right back. So give it a go, be brave. The three chords that we need in this song is D, A, and G7. And the strum pattern is down, down, up, down, down, up. This is an action song, so if you don't know it, look online and you can teach the actions as well. Good luck. Toru, fa. Tohora nui, tohora roa, tohora tino momona, tohora fiu fiua, tohora piu piua. Tohora eko ana te moana e. Tohora nui, tohora roa, tohora tino momona, tohora fiu fiua, tohora piu piua, tohora eko ana te moana e. Ka kite anō.